Right then, myth busting time and the age-old question of, is bigger better? So, a few months ago we released this new intake kit for the F-Series engines. This is the kit that we released, and since then we've had quite a few comments saying the filter looks quite small, is it restrictive, is it better to put a bigger filter on there? So we've tested it. So this is the biggest possible filter we could find to fit in the gap down the side of the engine. But the question is, did it actually make a difference when we ran it on the dyno? So the reason why I had both filters in my hand is because we've basically tested them back to back, straight after each other. We've done 2 runs for each, just to make sure it's a fair test. So the top 2 results you can see was the small filter, so the original filter that we sell with this kit, and the second 2 on this graph is a large filter. So pretty much exactly the same. We've also looked at the logs, so the EGTs and the inlet air temps are pretty much exactly the same between all the runs on both filters, apart from a little variation in dyno runs, which is basically what you can see on the 2 runs, 328, 326, 326, 328. Every time we run a car on the dyno, it's very rare that it'll do the exact same power twice in a row. So that's why we run it twice. But as you can see for the rest of the graph, pretty much no difference. So hopefully this video makes a lot of male viewers very happy, because it turns out size doesn't make a difference. Thanks for watching.